Hey my cousins, Barry Hilton here. Today I am the Metabo. That's me, the Metabo. Because I'm here at Metabo, we're looking at the cordless technology that they got here. It's fantastic. One battery, one charger, one platform allows you to work on a multitude of tools. Today we're going to look at the compressor. Fabulous, neat little compressor here. It's 5 liters. It can go up to 8 bars. It's incredible, and it's all powered by a Metabo cordless battery. Fabulous. It can fill this tank up to 20 times. And I'm going to spray here behind me just to show you how easy it is. I don't know what I'm doing about spraying, but we'll try. But safety first, let me just put this on over here. Make a plan. Thank you very much. Do I look stupid? Probably. Can I have the gun? Thank you very much. Check at this. Hey, switch off, I command you. Besides the easy of spray, look at how easy I sprayed that. Besides how easily I sprayed this piece of kit here is absolutely light. It only weighs 9 kilograms. Check here. Oh my God. I'm only kidding, it's very light. Metabo, my cousins, one battery, one charger, one platform.